Now that spring is approaching, it is starting to become a time to consider pulling your car out of the garage and getting it ready for cruising season. When it comes to a FiTech EFI system, this week's Tech Tuesday is going to go over some of the steps on how to get your car ready for cruising. When we winterized our vehicle, all that we did was put a little fuel stabilizer in the gas tank and disconnected the battery, hooked that up to a battery tender and let it sit. Now that we're approaching spring, we're going to hook up our battery again back to our vehicle. And when it comes to the EFI system, it really couldn't be any easier than keying on, making sure you don't have any fuel leaks. You can check your handheld, plug it in, check your tune, but you're ready to start. You can fire up the vehicle and let it warm up. Check any kind of errors that you may have inside the EFI system, which would be checking that fault code section. But if everything's clear, you're ready to cruise. One of the things that I would note though is you would want to have some sort of a maintenance schedule to your vehicle. Have some sort of time, whether it's winterizing or coming out of winter for spring, to go over your fuel lines, your spark plug wires, your fuel filters, your air filters. Choose a time that works for you to go over these things to make sure that everything is up to tip-top shape and ready to cruise down the road. One of the biggest benefits of fuel injection over a carburetor is how easy it is to winterize and get ready for the next season. You're not rebuilding a carb in the spring, you're not cleaning it out, you're not unsticking jets and floats and what have you. You just got to key on, allow the system to prime, fire up the engine, and you're ready to cruise down the road. That concludes this week's Tech Tuesday. If you have any other questions about how to winterize or get ready for the cruising season, please comment them down below or visit our website at FiTechEFI.com for more tech videos.